Welcome to the Unsung Hero, the SCR. This essential guide is for professional electricians to understand how the Silicon Controlled Rectifier controls the world's power. In Part 1, we will meet the SCR and understand this tiny component that powers the biggest machines. The key difference between a standard diode and an SCR is control. A standard diode always conducts when voltage is applied. The SCR, or controlled diode, blocks current until a small signal hits the gate, allowing you to control the timing of the power. Understanding the latch is vital. Once triggered, the SCR stays on, even if the gate signal is removed, requiring zero gate power to stay active. It only turns off when the current drops below the holding value. In AC circuits, it automatically resets at every zero crossing. In Part 2, Power in Your Hands, we will explore how the SCR translates to real-world industrial control applications. You'll find SCRs in motor control, where phase angle firing allows for precise DC motor speed control. They are also used in welding for converting AC to stable DC and in heating to control temperature in induction furnaces by pulsing thousands of amps. SCRs win over mechanical relays and industrial contactors due to speed and life. They are ultra-fast, switching in microseconds. As solid-state devices with no moving parts, they can switch millions of times without wearing out. SCR usage is widespread. Industrial and factory applications account for 55%, infrastructure and high-voltage DC for 25%, and consumer goods for 20%. The evolution of power control moved from 1900s mechanical knife switches to 1940s mercury arc rectifiers. The first commercial SCR appeared in 1957, paving the way for today's smart solid-state power control. The SCR is the heart of the modern factory. Variable speed drives rely on SCRs for precise motor control, saving billions in energy costs. As an electrician, knowing the SCR means knowing the brain of the modern industrial panel.